Hello, I'm Chien, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Windows 10 in VMware Workstation. Okay, so the tool is VMware Workstation Pro version 14, and the OS I want to install in the VMware is Windows 10 Pro version in the ISO file format. Okay, so now let's get started. Open the VMware Workstation Pro version on my PC. Find new virtual machine. I will select the default option is typical recommended for this. Like, okay. So here you have to make sure you already have an ISO file Windows 10 on your PC. We have another option is install it from the DVD drive on the PC. So if you have the DVDs, you can use select this option. Okay, so here I'm install it from the ISO file, so I will select this the second option. Browse and paste the path of the ISO file. Select the ISO file. Next. Okay. So here this one is virtual machine name. I will leave it by default. Windows 10 the version 10 and the 64-bit. And the second one you have to select the location to keep the virtual machine. Okay, I will browse it. Put new folder. Okay, next. Here, this one you have to select the specific disk capacity on your PC. Here, I will leave it by default is 60 GB, and we have to select the way to store the virtual disk. So here I suggest to select the second option is split virtual disk into multiple files. So it will be easier for you when moving into another PC. Okay, like yeah. So this one is the default setting for the virtual machine. So you can click on the customize hardware button here to do the modification for the virtual machine. And I will go ahead to click here. I will increase the memory for this. Okay, go to 8 GB. Okay. Processor 2 and 4. 2. Okay, left another by default. Close this and click on finish button to finish the creation for the setting for virtual machine. Here, so after that it will creating this on your PC. Okay, I will open my computer and set up Windows 10. Okay, here, so you can see we have some Windows 10 in the VMDK format had been created here. Okay, cool. Waiting for it to creating. Yeah, cool. So here we have finished creating the configuration for for Windows 10 on the PC. Okay, here it's running the virtual machine. Click on this one to finish installing. Okay. Here, you take a look into the left corner. It's set to return to the computer. Press the okay. So here, focus to this message and click inside. Here, you want to remote to control the virtual machine. Here, you click on this one. Here. And if you want to go outside the virtual machine, you press the Control and on the keyboard. Okay, here, cool, phone. Okay, so here it's running. Wait. Okay, so here, language by default. I will select the language to install in English. Time zone is English and keyboard also US. Next, install now. It is starting to set up the Windows 10 on the virtual machine. Okay, here you have to enter the license key to activate the window. So in case you don't have the license key for now, you can skip it and do it later. Click on the I don't have a product key here to bypass this one. So depending on the ISO file of the Windows system you are using, so here I'm using the version which the ISO version is support for for type of the Windows 10. So now I will select the version E product professional. Click on next button. Okay, so now it will start to install the necessary file for the window. It copy and getting file ready for installation, installing the feature, installing the update, and after that we finish up the installation. So here I will go outside the virtual machine. Because it will take the time for installation, so I will temporarily pause the recording and will back in. Okay, so here now you have to set up for the account, set up for personal use. Next. Okay, so here you have to enter the Microsoft account here to access the window. If you don't have any account, so click on create account button here. So now here I already have an account, so I will use it to access. Enter the password. we are going to finish the setting up Windows 10 on the virtual machine. Okay. Yeah, so the setup is finished. This one is the window. Okay, cool. So thank you for watching, and I hope when you finish this video you know how to install the Windows 10 by using the VM Workstation Pro version. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you later.